Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Sayresos and meron na naman po akong vlog. But before that, I would like to ask you if kumusta na po kayo, and alam naman natin na naka-quarantine days pa rin tayo, and of course, this time is a perfect time to spend our precious moments with our family, diba? And the loved ones. Ayun. Since sabi ko nga kanina, diba, quarantine days pa rin tayo ngayon because of the pandemic, which is coronavirus that our world is experiencing right now. I came up with the idea na i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Hindi lang to, take note guys ha, hindi lang to gagawin natin dahil may virus na pandemic na coronavirus, diba? Ginagawa ko talaga to everyday, and it boosts my immune system, helps me lose weight, and also improves my digestive system, and it also, believe it or not, ini-improve niya rin yung skin natin, skin complexion natin, kasi nga fruits yung naka-infuse dito sa water na to, sa detox water na to. So if you're interested in knowing what I do and what fruits I put in my water, just keep on watching. So yeah, so ito na yung finished detox water natin, or infused water with fruits. So ayan na siya. So as you can see, we have here cucumber, and then ayun yung lemon, and then ito yung orange. So actually, ang ginagawa ko is I sliced cucumber and sasamahan ko ng lemon para meron akong detox water, and then before I eat something, before I have my breakfast, kailangan iinom muna ako ng 1 glass nito or 3 glasses, kasi pag in-infuse mo siya, pwede mo na siyang inumin, and then ubusin mo, and then lagyan mo ulit until maka 3 glasses ka. Diba sinabi nga na kailangan before we eat, for healthy tips, diba, before we have our breakfast, kailangan makainom muna tayo ng 3 glasses of water. Yan. So, ayan ang ginagawa ko. So, after kong magawa to every morning, iniinom ko na siya. And hindi lang ako yung umiinom dito. I also let my husband drink water like this. Ayan, para maboost din lalo yung immune system niya, para lalo siyang magka-energy. And ako rin. And also my parents and my baby. Kasi baby ko, nilalagyan ko din siya. Pero hindi ko siya masyadong pinapatagal. Hindi ko masyadong pinapatagal yung fruits dun sa water niya. So, mild lang. Lalagyan ko lang ng fruits, and then I let my baby to drink this water. So, ayan siya. So, actually, hindi ako naglalagay talaga ng orange. Pero since may orange kami ngayon, may stock kami ng orange, naglagay na rin ako ng orange dito because it adds aroma, and at the same time, it adds, of course, nutrients. Diba? Alam naman natin na ang orange is rich in vitamin C din, diba? So, let me try it. It's really delicious. You should try, guys, kasi every time na iinom kayo ng water na ganito, nalilinis yung, na-cleanse yung body nyo, nadi-detox kayo, diba? It cleanses away the toxins that you intake, and at the same time, rich in vitamin C siya, and it helps you improve your digestive system. Ayan, pag medyo hindi maganda yung takbo ng digestive system natin, napapaganda niya yan, di ba? Ako, pag umiinom ako nito, mas maganda siya sa akin kasi lagi akong nagpupupo, which is very good, di ba? Kailangan naman regular yung pupo natin. So, it helps really talaga. And at the same time, pinapaganda niya yung kutis natin, kiniklear niya yung skin. Kaya gustong-gusto ko din siya. Actually, I noticed the difference between drinking water without any fruits and drinking infused water. Malaki talaga ang difference nila. So, makikita nyo once you intake, pero hindi naman yan minsanan lang, di ba? Hindi naman yan, isang beses lang. Kailangan you maintain drinking infused water. So, sa iba, after nilang maglagay ng fruits, pinapalamig nila and ini-stay sa ref, and then after 30 minutes or 24 hours, dun pa lang nila iinumin, which is very good din yon, okay? Pwede nyo rin gawin yon. And, what else? Cucumber, okay, and lemon, we all know na they decrease the level of sugar, diba, sa katawan natin. So, tinatanggal nila yung sugar sa katawan natin. It lessens the sugar. So, napaka-perfect din nito, especially doon sa mga merong diabetes, diba? So, yan, sa mga merong diabetes, tinatanggal niya yung nilalasan niya yung sugar level sa katawan. Okay? So, perfect din to para sa may mga diabetes. At the same time, pinapalakas niya rin yung mga katawan nila, or pinapalakas yung mga katawan natin kahit mga walang diabetes. Okay? So, napakadami talagang health benefits ng mga to. So, number 1, it helps you improve your skin complexion. Number 2, boost your immune system, which is really timing nowadays kasi meron yung coronavirus. So, kailangan nyo talagang uminom nito para ma-boost yung immune system nyo. Mas palakas yung immune system nyo, diba? And keeps you healthy and then healthier. And then 3, it decreases your sugar level. And then 4, it helps you lose weight. Totoo yan. Talagang mapapansin nyo na nag-lose yung weight nyo at the same time nababawasan yung belly nyo. And at the same time, number 5, it improves energy levels. So, kapag uminom kayo nito, mararamdaman nyo na parang ang gaan-gaan ng feeling. Yung tipong feeling na kapag umiinom kayo ng green tea, ganun yung feeling. Ang gaan-gaan, tapos ang ganda ng pakiramdam nyo, feeling nyo pa na gumaganda yung skin complexion nyo. At the same time, nag-improve yung digestive system nyo, and sumasexy tayo, diba? Ang sarap sa feeling nun, diba? By just only drinking infused water. So, by the way, kapag naubos na to, inom muna ako. Medyo iningal ako sa pagsasalita ko. So, ayan, inubos ko na siya, diba? Hindi nyo pa pwedeng, kapag naubos na yan, pwede nyo pa siyang gamitin all throughout the day. Tapos, palitan nyo na lang siya kinabukasan. Ako kasi ang ginagawa ko, tinatapon ko na siya, pinapalitan ko na siya, that tomorrow, yung time kung anong oras ko siya ginawa. For example, ginawa ko siya ng morning ng 7 or 7:30. Tapos, kinabukasan bukas, 7:30 ko rin siya itatapon and papalitan ko na. So, ganun yun. And I really love this one. I really recommend you to drink infused water. Infused water with ano ba? Parang nasabi ko na yata lang, paulit-ulit na ako. Okay, I recommend you to drink infused water with fruits in it, diba? Ayan, infused water with fruits, infused fruits. I recommend you to drink this one kasi this really makes you healthy, more beautiful, more energetic, improves your digestive system, mas mapapasexy ka pa. Ayan, diba? O, kahit pakain ka ng kain dyan, kung ano nung kinakain mo, kung ano unhealthy foods na kinakain mo, at least nakakabawi ka kahit paano dahil umiinom ka ng infused water which removes the dirt, cleanses your body, and removes the toxins. That's it. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tip lang, please inom kayo, okay? Para ma-boost yung immune system nyo, lalo na ngayon na meron tayong na-experience sa pandemic na coronavirus. So, this is very important. Remember, health is wealth. So, don't forget to do exercise as well. Kahit 20 minutes lang yan, okay na yun. Diba? Stretching din pag may time. Diba? Hindi lang yung puro higa-higa tayo. Well, ako, in fact, I'm guilty. Lagi ako nakahiga, diba? So, gusto ko mag-rest, ganun. Pero make sure na you do some activities para ma-maintain yung health, diba? So, that's it. So, take care and God bless. And spend time with your family. Keep safe. Bye!